Have you ever wondered if your brain is the same as it was 5 years ago? Today, let's dive into a fascinating topic. Do our brain cells really renew every 5 years? Now, the brain is a complex organ full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled. It's often said that every cell in our body replaces itself over a period of time. Skin cells, for instance, have a pretty rapid turnover rate. But what about our brain cells? First, let's understand what brain cells or neurons actually do. These are the cells responsible for everything from processing senses to storing memories and making decisions. So, the idea of them renewing like skin cells do might sound a bit alarming, right? What happens to our memories? Well, here's the twist in the tale. Most neurons in the adult human brain do not renew themselves like other cells in our body. They are generally considered to be irreplaceable. Once they are gone for good. But this doesn't mean our brain isn't dynamic. While it's true that the core neurons might not regenerate, other supporting cells in the brain, known as glial cells, do renew themselves. And there's a small region in the brain called the hippocampus, crucial for learning and memory, where new neurons can actually grow. This process is known as neurogenesis. So when someone says our brain cells renew every 5 years, it's a bit of a simplification and not entirely accurate for neurons. However, our brains are constantly changing through other processes like synaptic plasticity, where the connections between neurons strengthen and weaken over time. To sum it up, no, our brain cells don't renew every 5 years in the way many might think, but our brains are never static. They adapt, learn, and even sometimes repair, which is a kind of renewal, isn't it? So next time you hear someone say that your brain renews every 5 years, you'll know it's more about the brain adapting and less about it replacing its neurons like a stock of inventory. Isn't the brain just fascinating? Thanks for joining me on this exploration into the wonders of our brain's resilience and adaptability. Stay curious and keep exploring the mysteries of science.